So we started here in Australia. We're like four-wheel driving, like overlanding, like camping, like towing your trailer or your caravan, DIY is all part of life here. Now, people wanted like a head unit that they could trust and that could do a whole lot of like stuff. So we created like systems and we've tested them in each of these cars and refined the whole kit so it all works well. And that is all that one thing that we are known for. But we've got better products, we've got better documentation, and we've got better support. Now we're here in the USA, I'm going to start building them out for the USA vehicles. As we had some demand for these already, people were buying them from us in Australia already. So we are super excited to bring our head units and our kits to you guys here in Australia. And so we'll be building them out for you like common sort of cars where people want to do the upgrade. And like these are your Toyotas, your Fords, your Jeeps, etc. Then what we try to do here is we try to build a vehicle specific kit. So what happens is you get the head unit that's going to fit your car and look like the factory one. You're going to get the kit, so it's all like plug and play. So installing the head unit's pretty straightforward. And then our head unit's going to run all the add-ons. So that could be like a dash camera, it could be extra cameras, maybe like a camera from the trailer, it could be tire pressure system for the trailer. You put your off-road maps on there and you can run a whole lot of different like stuff because you'll basically have an Android tablet on your dash, and of course you'll get a wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. So the whole thing is it is an integrated solution that fits your vehicle. So we are like selling the Ford F-150 2018 upgrade kit that's going to bring your Ford F-150 into the modern age of all the tech that you need and want. Every order is going to ship out within like 24 hours and you should hopefully receive it within 2 to 8 days depending on the shipping. And then if you during the install actual process, if you ever have any dramas, you can call us up, you can email, you can get on our live chat and talk to real people who can help you out with the install. Plus we have our install videos, our manuals, and we have a whole lot of videos about all the stuff you can do with the head unit, and that's all on our YouTube channel, and you can see how many videos we have on there so you can see how well we do our job. It's also going to be backed by a 3-year warranty and constant firmware upgrades. So the system keeps on improving as we fix it and make it better. And over time we also add on different add-ons and different things like that, which could be vehicle specific or general add-ons that you can get working with the head unit. So this is a Vhedia built for your vehicle. We're backed by real support. If you need to know more, vhedia.com.